thankful. A light is a beacon of hope. For as they say, light shines the brightest when the world is in darkness.
Hello, Ali. Are you home? How is the weather going? We just arrived here in Hawaii.
That's great, Mom. Actually, I'm currently here in the living room and it just started to snow.
Oh, is that so? How is Mom doing? Is she coping up with the weather?
She's actually very well, Mom. She even asked for tea, so I made her one and I already put her to bed, Mom.
That's good then. Please don't forget her meds. She needs to take it on time. Anyways, we might extend our stay here for 3 days, and I'm really sorry you have to spend Christmas alone.
It's okay, Mom. I'll take care of everything from here. Just enjoy the holiday with the kids, Mom.
All right, Ali. Thank you so much. You take care.
You too, Mom. Hello, Shin. Anak, kamusta? Kamusta ang ganap dyan?
Nay, si Tio Mark nagluto na maraming pagkain. Si Tia Evang naman, nagbigay ng pera sa aming mga pinsan.
Wow! Ang saya naman yan.
Nay, miss na kita. Kailan ka pa uuwi?
Anak, hayaan mo na. Malapit na. Konting tiis na lang.
Nay, sige po, alis po muna ako.
Teka, sandali.
Love you!
Love you!
Bye!
Bye! As usual, I will be spending the Christmas alone. Thankfully, a Christmas tree can give comfort to my heart because it reminds me of home.
person you are calling is currently unavailable. The person you are calling is currently unavailable.
Pa, alam kong huli mo na ito matatanggap. Nasa 3 na ako. Tawag mo na lang ulit ako kapag nag-signal ka na. Mag-ingat ka.
Sige pa! Kailangan natin malabasan ito mga comrades!
Yung nanay ko! May sakit pa! Kailangan ko kitang makita!
Okay, matatag kayo!
Ayoko pong mamatay! Gusto ko, anak ko lumaki na may tatay! Kaya baril! Baril!
Salamat sa Diyos at ginabayan niya tayo.
Halain niyo yun! Nagpasun pa natin yun! Makikita ko si nanay!
Napakabuti talaga ng Diyos, di ba?
At salamat naman sa Diyos, pero sandali lamang ha, babalik lang ako. Hello? Ma!
Pa, kamusta ka dyan? Kaka-labor ko lang, hindi na ako sa room. Nga pala, healthy si baby. Mary yung pinangalan ko yung pinag-usapan natin.
Salamat naman sa Diyos! Pero ikaw ma, kamusta ka naman dyan? Pasensya talaga, wala ako sa tabi mo.
Ano ka ba ba? Naiintindihan ko naman yun. Okay naman ako.
Malapit na talaga to ma. Konting tiis na lang at makakabalik ako sa tabi mo.
Naghihintay kami ni Mary sa'yo. O sige, magpapahinga pa ako.
Sige
Mag-ingat ka
ma.
dyan.
Bye-bye! Uy! Alam niyo ba, yung asawa ko, kakapanganak niya lang.
Congrats, bro!
Kaya